Who shot that, Gavin?
Yeah. I shot.
Yes, sir, boys.
Go.
Kill him. That's some good shots right there.
Where'd that fucker come from? I don't know. He don't talk
Oh, he's crippling. Get him, don't you? Kill him, kill him. Clean hair, baby.
I don't think it's a real hit. I don't think it's. No, I thought it was. Yeah, we hit it. Oh, we got it. No, we hit it. We gone. What's going behind me?
Is that me or you guys? I didn't shoot.
Wait on the group. Should we shoot him?
Yeah, bust. Oh, hey.
One shot.
Kill that thing going down right there. Oh, jam.
Go get him. Go get him, Gavin. Hey, here's breakfast. Passing it down.
Probably his plates went shining in that.
Hey, if you want ketchup or anything, just let me know. I'm gonna pass it down. You can pass it all the way back.
Yeah, I need ketchup.
And I'm gonna pass the cheese down, so I'm starting that in.
Gavin, you got. Okay. Alright, colon. Alright, one more.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, Pat. They got cheese.
Cheese.
Alright, yeah.
Tornado.
My gun click.
Seriously? You got 20 gauge, John?
No. Ready.
Ready.
Kill him, kill him.
Shot.
Good shot.
That's nice.
Hey, watch these two. Watch these two.
Well, there was 3 back there in the water.
Yeah, that's them 3 that landed a minute ago.
Yeah. Hey, they're coming. No, I think Knox rolled that one.
All the way down.
Get ready. Get ready. Kill him.
Good shot.
Boot lip.
I didn't have to get so I finally, I got mine shoulder that time. Bust him, bust him, bust him.
Yeah. Hold of that motherfucker.